Learn to implement periodic batch data processing with absolute time nodes. For auto downgrade, the system automatically checks paid memberships at a fixed time. If a user's privileges expire, the system automatically resets their status to standard user. Following this example, you can build low frequency batch automated operations like annual reward points clearing, regular inactive account cleanup, and daily user activity settlement. First is the data model section. Since the system's built-in account table doesn't support manual data insertion, we need to prepare a member profile table for demonstration purposes. The table contains three key fields. Membership tier is used to identify the user's current status, and expiry date records the specific time when the VIP privileges expire. We can add a one-to-one relation field linking to the system's native account table, essentially extending membership information for system users. Tables created. An account ID field is auto-generated. Let's prepare a few test records, including one expired and one active VIP member. Next, let's build the action flow. Step 1. Configure the scheduled trigger. Set the start and end times as needed. To quickly see results, we'll set it to run daily at 14 hours, 52 minutes, and 48 seconds. Step 2. Configure the batch update logic. Add an update data node and select the member profile table as the target table. Update the value of the membership tier to standard user. Configure the filter conditions to find records where the current membership tier equals VIP. Next, add a time condition setting the expiry date to be less than or equal to the current system time. The update data node performs batch updates but returns a single record. Use this based on your needs. Check the time and automated execution count. It runs daily at 18:04:45. Let's return to the database and wait for the preset time. Click refresh to see the expired VIP is now standard. Executions dropped by 1.